This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg BCC13 coffee machine. To ensure best operation and great quality drinks, it's recommended to clean the tray, drip tray and grounds container daily. We also recommend routinely cleaning specific machine components, such as the brewing group and the water container. Equipped with user prompts, warning lights will appear when the machine runs out of water, when the bean container is empty, when the coffee grounds container is full, and if the brew unit door and brewing group is misaligned, absent or blocked. The machine will also prompt you when to descale the coffee machine. For descaling, please check out the video linked in the description. The drip tray is equipped with an internal tray, which has a red float, which rises from the cup holder as soon as the maximum level of liquid is exceeded. The internal tray can be washed in the dishwasher, whereas the external tray, grid, coffee grounds container, drip tray, water tank and milk container should be washed in warm soapy water. For optimum performance, hygiene and to ensure good operation, it's necessary to clean the milk system and the circuit after they've been used to prepare milk-based drinks. Automatic cleaning using the easy cleaning button is simple. Begin by fixing the cleaning container onto the cup grid, filled with fresh water up to the mark indicated. Then connect the milk tube to the coffee machine and immerse it inside the tray. Finally, hold the easy cleaning button down for 3 seconds to start the cleaning of the milk circuit. The cycle will stop upon completion. It's also good practice to incrementally clean the milk system components manually. Begin by removing the milk tube, the dispenser lid and the milk system. Gently clean with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly before reassembling into the machine. These components are delicate and are not dishwasher safe. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.